Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log in to your Instagram account without email, phone number and password. To do so, first of all, what you need to do is, first of all, check if Instagram is up to date or not. For that, go to the App Store and search for Instagram and see if any updates are available or not. Once you do that, go to your browser and then search for help.instagram.com. Then this page will be open. From there, hit on the manage your account. Now click on the signing up option and then scroll to the last and then hit on the other. Now there you will see a description box. Here briefly describe that you want to log into your Instagram account. Give them the username. If you know, then give them your password as well. Instagram team will help you out within the 24 hours with this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.